I have always liked these furniture style dog crates that can go easily in a living room and fit into your decor. But I always hated the fact that they were difficult to store away and they took up so much space. So if you didn't need them, they would just be taking up space somewhere else. You'd have to totally disassemble them or relocate them. So I was super happy when I was gifted this amazing crate by the brand. So thank you to the brand for gifting this to me. This crate is easy to, it folds down. So you can fold it away and put it away if you're not using it. So before I show you how easy it is to store away, I just want to show you a few. I got some chalk on the top of this here. A few other things about this that I love. I love the wood top and bottom inside, so it goes easily with any decor. It comes with, it's a magnet with a little nameplate for the dog, and it even comes, I've written Midge's name on here. It even comes with chalk to write, and then different magnet little paw prints that you can put on to personalize it. So when it hangs right on there, and then the magnet attaches to one of the bars here so it stays put. These little feeding bowls that you can have on the outside of the crate, or when the dog is in the crate, it just flips around there when you pull this pin up, and now the dog can happily have food and water while they are in the crate if you are leaving them in a crate and you're out for a while or something like that. So now I will just show you. Here, I'm going to take these bowls off because those will fold up as well and I'll show you folding it away. So what you do when you're going to fold it away is there's two little pieces at the top that you just pull the little pins out, and this then lifts up. You can see the pins here. These are the pins that lift up. There's little buttons there that you push to unhook them from the top, and then that folds over like so. And then the bottom piece just lifts up like this, and you fold in the sides because they're hinged there. This closes up, and these come up like that. So you can just, I'll show you from the side. Those are going to fall down right now, but show you from the side. So you can store it easily in a closet behind the couch. This is now how much space it takes up. So super, super easy. I love that. And then when you're ready to use it again, you can just pull it out. That goes down. The lid comes back on. Like so, and then you put those into place, and there you are back in business. Love, love, love this. This is the most ingenious thing I've seen about a furniture crate, because like I said, they are a pretty substantial piece, and sometimes you just need your square footage and you want to move this away. And it is also good if you want to, if you're traveling long term with your dog and you want to take the regular crate with them. Like, this is heavy, but it's easy to take. So if you are driving somewhere, going somewhere, and you want to bring this with them, totally possible in the car as well. So love that about it. Thanks again to the brand.